And now, letter number 2, we continue with piano. Very fresh kind of melody. It's also a counterpoint with the piano, so it's a perfect duet. Okay. Then you have a little cadenza. Of course, it's an audition, it's a concours. So you have the cadenza. Traditionally, we stop here with a little corona. It's not written, but it's a tradition in France. We do the second part. Stop. Second stop. During this, you have the piano part, which is the first theme at the beginning, but in major tonality. Okay, after 3, we continue. Now it's the minor version. I play the piano part. So it's like a cadenza, but there is an accompaniment to it.